Hello my dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous videos I have shown you few spherical objects, hemispherical objects, solid hemispherical and hollow hemispherical, and I have shown you the total surface area of a hemisphere and the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Means we were studying the topic surface area of hemisphere. So today we are going to do question number 6, 7 and 5, 6 and 7 of 13.4 of your NCERT book. So let's start doing the question. So dear students, let's read the question first. Question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Inner diameter is given to you. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside of the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter scale. For example, dear students, let us see what kind of bowl it is. For example, as you can see this bowl, dear students, this is hemispherical in shape and this bowl is also hemispherical in shape. And they are asking us about the cost of tin plating it from inside. मीन्स हम अंदर से इसे टिन प्लेटिंग करना चाहते हैं एंड एज यू कैन सी इट इज़ हैविंग सम थिकनेस. तो अंदर का डायमीटर अलग होता है और आउटर डायमीटर डिफरेंट होता है. दे हैव गिवन अस इनर डायमीटर बिकॉज वी हैव टू टिन प्लेट इट फ्रॉम इनसाइड. सो सिर्फ यहाँ पर टिन प्लेटिंग करनी है और ये एरिया या फिर ये एरिया, इस एरिया को हम क्या कहते हैं जो ये वाला पार्ट होता है? येस, this is known as curved surface area. Means we only want to tin plate this inner curved surface area of this bowl. So for that, let's see what is given to us. Inner diameter is given to us, that is 10.5 centimeter. Radius हो जाएगा इसका half, that is 10.5 by 2 centimeter. Because we have to use only curved surface area, so let us find out the curved surface area of the ball is 2 pi r square, as you know the formula. So let us put the values. So 2 into 22 by 7 and radius is 10.5 by 2 multiplied by 10.5 by 2. So by solving it, dear students, you will get the area as 173.25 centimeter scale. So this is the inner area of the given bowl, this bowl. And now we need to find out the cost of tin plating it from inside. Now cost of tin plating 100 centimeter is given to us as rupees 16. So from 100 we need to move to 1 centimeter square. So cost of tin plating 1 centimeter square will be 100 से 1 पे जाएंगे तो 100 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से नीचे चला जाएगा. So 16 by 100. But from when we move from 1 to 173, smaller से greater, we will multiply. So cost of tin plating 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. Therefore the cost of tin plating 100 से बड़े से छोटे पे जा रहे हैं 1 centimeter square will be rupees 16 by 100. But we need to find out the cost of tin plating this surface area. So cost of tin plating 173.25 centimeter square is equal to rupees 16 by 100 multiplied by this. And by solving it, dear students, the cost of tin plating will be obtained will be 27 rupees and 72 paisa. So this is the cost of tin plating this inner surface or area of the bowl. So dear students, I hope the question is clear to you. So now let's do question number 6. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So dear students, we need to find out radius and area is given to us. So we will start the question from whatever given to us. If we have been given the surface area of sphere, so we will use the formula for this. So what do you mean by surface area? Means total surface area. Means sphere means the complete curved part ही होता है, इसमें कोई flat नहीं होता. So surface area means 4 pi r square is equal to 154. So let us put the values and get the answer. 154, cross multiply the things. 154 multiplied by 7 upon 4 into 22. So when you'll solve it, you will see 7 by 7 by 4. 11 twos are 11, 14s are, and 2 sevens are. So 7 into 7 by 4. And when you take the square to the other side, you'll get square root by 4. So out of this pair we'll take out 1 7, and square root of 4 is 2. So therefore radius will be 3.5 centimeter. So the question is very easy. So now my dear students, let's do question number 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. We need to find out the ratio. We have already done a ratio question, so let's do it again. Now what is given to us? The diameter of the moon will denoted by dm is, for is will put equal to 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 of diameter of earth. As we all know, earth is greater than moon. So if from this, dear students, we can directly conclude that if diameter is 1/4, that means radius of moon is also 1/4 of radius of earth. So remember this. Now what they are asking us? The ratio of, we need to find out the ratio of surface area of moon to the surface area of earth. As both are spherical, so we know the formula 4 pi r square. Here we'll take the radius of moon whole square upon 4 pi r, but here it is the radius of earth square. So cancel out 4 pi, 4 pi. Now radius of moon, the value of radius of moon is 1/4 radius of earth. We'll put this value here. So in place of rm, we'll write 1/4 of radius of earth whole square. Square लगा देंगे. whole क्यों use कर रहे हैं? Because two things are getting multiplied. Divided by radius of earth square. So let's find out the square. 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. Radius of earth square is radius of earth square by re square. So just cancel out, you will left with 1/16. That means the ratio of the two surface areas is 1:16. So I hope the question is clear to you. So once again, let me tell you what is given to us. We have been given that diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. Obviously moon is smaller than earth, so its diameter is 4 parts में से एक part जितना है इसका diameter. So from here we'll conclude that radius is also 1/4 of radius of earth, because radius is needed in the formula. Okay, so just take the ratio of the surface area of two, moon and earth, put the values. Rm is equal to 1/4 re square, put it whole square. From here you'll get this. Now dear students, try question number 8 and 9 yourself, and I will solve these questions in the next video for you. So that's all for today. I hope the concept is getting clear to you day by day. Thank you.